So guys, piano has a lot of keys, right? But unfortunately, I'm not able to put them all in Scratch. But I can tell you this, keys are repeating. So it's do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, right? So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si. So every 7 keys are kind of repeating, but they're maybe a little different tone. I'm not sure. I don't know anything about piano, but that's my the only knowledge. I know that tones and notes are repeating, right? You guys have taken music classes? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, and so on. Now, that's what we're gonna try to construct. So this is what I made so far. Look. Okay, let me play this. Okay, you don't hear it. Let me put it. All right. And put the volume up here. Here. So here, this is what I made so far. So you see these black keys and then the white keys. White keys are made. And what are those black keys called? So what do they do? What's the function of those? So they make the longer. I see. Okay, whatever. So the way I did it, let me create a new file, guys. You can follow me. Okay, I'm gonna make it from scratch. Yes, they make them sharp. Yes, I think so. So guys, no. It was we never done it. First of all, let's design a piano, and then how many keys we're gonna have? Let me look it up, guys. So here, you see, it says play note. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 notes. Okay, 8 like notes, and then I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 black keys. So let's make the piano first. All right, let's create a paint. Go on paint on Scratch, on the sprites. You can delete, you can keep it. I'm gonna keep it for now. Yes. So let's add a new sprite and then add a rectangle like this. All right. Choose your color, any color you want. I'm gonna go with turquoise. Add another box. Add another box. Add it in here. Yeah, you can add an outline. It's better if you add an outline, guys. Let's add a black outline so your shapes would be visible. Okay, add this one too, outline, and then you can in fact make your outline layer a line thicker by changing this number here. You see? Okay, and then let's type piano here. So click on T, and then type here, and then type my piano. So this is kind of small. We can make it bigger by clicking on the select and then dragging this like this. Here we go. This is bigger. All right. All right. So next, this is what I want to do, guys. So this is a piano, right? Now, what we will do next is we're going to code it. So we're going to use green flag as usual. And then also use forever as usual. You know what we're going to put in forever? We are going to put, first move your piano to the best place possible, like this, right? And after that, so you see I'm moving it first. Only after that, you're gonna use go to. So let's say sometimes you accidentally move your piano away. When you click on green flag, it's gonna bring it back to its original position like this. So that's what we do first, okay? One more thing, guys. What I want you to do is, if you check under looks, you're gonna see something called go to front layer. So we want to have it on the back layer, guys. Okay, because we're gonna make keys. If you don't make it in a back layer, the keys will fall behind, and then they're gonna be behind my piano box, and you won't be able to see them. So let's set them to be on the back, like this. Next thing, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the keys. So let's make the key first, okay? So I said there'll be 8 keys, right? 8 keys. Now let's make one simple key. So let's create a new sprite because each key will be a different sprite. Create a new sprite, add a box like this with outline color and make it thicker. All right, make it smaller. Make it taller, not too tall. So we're just trying to make it fit into this box. Let's see. All right, there we go. So this is one key. For my piano, this is the code. Okay, on green flag forever, go here where it is now, and then also go to back layer, which is under the looks. So now we're coding the key, guys. So guys, easiest thing about the key is, okay, let's have this key here. All right. Now, how we're gonna code it? You guys need an extension. So you need a music extension because you don't have this extension here. You see this music? You're not gonna have it. To add this extension, you guys have to click here and then pick this music. You see music, pen, video sensing. I need this extension. Just click on this and it's gonna appear here. It is here, guys. Add extension and then music. Now under this, you're gonna have set instrument, and then you're gonna need play note. So you're gonna set instrument to be piano. Okay, piano. It is under music extension, which you can get under extensions here. And then you also need play note 60. For now, we're gonna change it. All right, let's continue. So next thing is what we're gonna do is we're gonna get traditional green flag, and we're gonna get traditional forever. Put it in here, and then put this instrument inside it like this. Okay. Now there are 2 options for play this note, guys. First option is to click on this key. Okay, let's do that one. So you click on this key. So to do that, you want to get when this sprite clicked, you see when this sprite clicked, and then you change this note to the very first note, which is this. You see? So here. It's the very first one. Now, good thing about having this key is I can duplicate it and only change one thing, right? Look, guys. Can you guys pay attention, everybody? Jeremy. So you see this key, it's been programmed. You just duplicate it, click on the second, move it here, and then just change note to the second one. Now look. Exactly. Keep duplicating it. And just change this key to the third one. Duplicate it. Change it to number 4. That's the 5th.
The tone is pretty crooked. Where'd you compute?
And so on. And one more.
You can play 7.
So that's the white ones. Look. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Yes. So you also can, guys, now for the black ones, we have to modify it a little bit. For the black one, you want to duplicate it again, like this. And then you want to color this. So you place it in between these two, because it is between these two, right? And you need to kind of make it smaller. So let's go to the costumes and modify it. So let's go to the costumes, make it smaller, like this. All right.
Build to black.
Make it a little longer. All right. Now we're gonna fill it in with black color, guys. You see this fill in white? Change it to black because it's gonna be a black key. There. And also go back to the code and change the note to be this one. So look. Now it's easier. You just duplicate it every time. Move it here. And change the note to the second. Now you duplicate it again. I think you need to leave one space between. Because look, you see there's one space. And then change it to this one. You duplicate it again.
Whose phone is ringing?
You duplicate it again. There. So here. All right, there's one more thing we need to fix. So guys, last thing that I'm gonna ask you to do is click on every single black key, and then add this under looks. We have set. We set go to. We put go to front layer for every single black key. Okay. Otherwise, it's gonna just disappear behind the white. Every single black key. All right. So guys, at this point, since we added keys and we made the piano, now this is what you can do. You can look up notes. For example, let's see, happy birthday piano notes. Okay. So simple piano.
Mr. Russell, I used to play piano.
Now guys, your keys tend to move around, so we need to stabilize them. How? We're gonna do this. Click on the very first key, okay, and then use go to, guys. Use go to like this. Put it go to in the green flag. Click on the second key, and again go to. So guys, do it while it is on stop. If it's green flag is click, it's not gonna work. Okay, click on stop, and then go one by one to every key and drag out this go to. Otherwise, your keys will be moving around. Here again, go to. Click on this key, go to. Do it for every single key. Is it clear, guys? For every single key, you have to use go to. Franklin.
working.
All right.